this video, we will learn about the Java Applications Programming Interface, API. As you sit in front of your computer and start typing your first Java program, you will need the computer to understand what you type on your keyboard. You will also need your computer to perform the basic task of printing something to your screen. So how would you do that? You could write other codes to teach the computer how to do that, but that's very complex and it has already been done, so why waste your time? Java comes with something called the Applications Programming Interface, or API. The API is a set of packages. Each package contains Java classes, and each class, as we learned before, has its own set of attributes and methods. These classes are designed to work as an interface between the developer and common tasks the developer will need to create useful applications. This way, the developer can focus their energy on developing the applications. One of the tasks Java API can help the developer with is reading the keyboard, which is the standard input, and writing to the screen, which is considered the standard output. To do this, all you need to do is to type something like this. From the class system, which is designed to deal with the system operations, use the object out, which works with the outputs, and the method println to display "Programming is great fun" on the screen. Java will take care of that for you and send the information to the screen. Java API can also help you with so many other things, such as doing complex math operations, dealing with files, generating random numbers, and much more. In the first part of this course, we will learn how to print to the screen, read the keyboard, and use very basic functionalities provided by the Java API. Before we conclude this video, let's have a quick look at the official Java API. You can start by searching for Java API. The first link will take you to the official Java API documentation provided by Oracle. As you can see, Java API is divided into packages, and there is a large number of classes available for you to use. The class we just dealt with was the system class, which is part of the lang package. Inside the lang package, we can find the system class. In the system class, we can see one of these fields is the out, and it shows you that you can use system.out.println as a typical way to write a line of output. Now you know what an API is. Next, we will discuss some of these classes to build the knowledge and the background needed to develop our own Java applications.